Today I'm gonna be doing a bike check 2020. This is No Chill Andy, you already know. Subscribe and everything. But anyways, got some Sabrosa grips on some Sabrosa bars and a Fiction stem with a Rant headset. And then I got a Sabrosa frame, obviously. And then Sabrosa forks. And then Sabrosa tires, front and back. And then I got a Rant rim. And then for the seat, I got a Shadow with a Rant seat post, seat clamp. And then I got some, I don't know what kind of fucking cranks are these, but I got Rant pedals with a Sabrosa sprocket. And then for the back is Sabrosa tire, obviously. And then I got a Mayor, whatever the fuck it's called, with a Mission hub. So yeah, that's about it, I think. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.